Hello and welcome. Today we're doing a move called the spine grab transfer. Here's what the move looks like. That's the move. Here is a slow-mo. All right, guys, let's get right into this one. So what you're going to do to start this move off is you are going to take the safe handle with your thumb about 3/4 of the way up, 4 fingers along the back of the knife, just in the closed position, just like this. You're going to begin the move by flinging the bite handle out over the back of your hand, just like so. After you've done this, what you're going to do is you're going to take your offhand and you're going to bend your wrist kind of like this, and you're going to have the back of your hand facing towards the knife. From here, you can swing the back of the blade back around the back of your hand, and you can grab onto both the blade and the bite handle with your 4 fingers on your offhand, just like so. So what that's going to look like, safe handle, flinging out, back of the hand, flipping here, and catching with my 4 fingers on both the blade and the bite handle. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to, on your offhand, I'm going to externally rotate my hand, so my palm is now facing up, and with my main hand, I'm going to come underneath just like so. So my offhand is doing this kind of a motion, so something like this, boom, and my main hand is doing this kind of a motion right here, so you wind up in this position. So boom, here, rotate and rotate just like so. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to keep your index finger connected to the knife, but you're going to take your middle finger and raise it up and put it on top of the safe handle, just like so. And this is going to set you up for the next part of the move. So right from the top, safe handle, flipping it out, connecting with your hand, rotating, coming under. Your middle finger is going to come on top of the safe handle. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to stay connected with your offhand, but you're going to get the blade to basically point straight up. You're going to twist so the blade is pointing straight up. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to change the momentum a little bit to take your offhand and do a fanning kind of motion where you're rotating the bite handle around about 360 degrees, just like so. And so what that'll look like, again, flipping it out, catching, coming up, around, middle finger on the top, out comes the blade. We're going to keep pushing the knife around. And from here, you really got to kind of watch out for your wrist, but you're going to spin the knife around 360 degrees. And once it's reached back where it came from, right? So originally, right from the top, the bite handle started right here. You are spun it all the way around. And right when it's back to where it is, you're going to take you're pinching the safe handle with your thumb and index finger. You're going to take your middle finger, extend it in front of the bite handle, just like so. And from here, you can go into a wrist pass. So you can kind of have the blade come here. Watch out, this is sharp. Wrist pass and open. The wrist pass will be in the description below. And so putting that all together, that's the whole move. Coming under, middle finger on the top. We're going to do a fan, making sure we don't cut our wrist. Pinching with the thumb, middle finger comes around, and open just like so. This is a really fun kind of two-handed move. You don't see a lot of those, but it's really kind of a fun way to spice up your combos and leave people going, what just happened there? So hope you guys like that one. Thanks for watching. Peace.